Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, how TestNG annotations inside a class get executed. Let me answer. First of all, let me list down the different types of annotations that we can specify or write inside a class. Okay. What are the different TestNG annotations that we can write inside a class? So, different annotations of TestNG that we can write or mention inside a class. So, we can mention @ before switch, @ after switch, then @ before test, then we have @ after test, then @ before class, then we have @ after class, then we have @ before method, then we have @ after method, okay, then we have @ test, and many other annotations are there like @ data provider, okay, and so on, etc. Okay, I don't want to go depth. Even I don't even want to mention this data provider here. So generally most used, okay, annotations like this, okay. So how TestNG annotations inside a class get executed, okay. So if you explain about these annotations that I have listed down here or written here or specified here, then it will be fine, okay. First, out of all these annotations, before switch annotation will be executed first, okay. When you run a particular class, in that class, if you have this before switch annotation, that particular annotation will be running first, okay. The method having this before switch will be running first. What about after switch? It's completely at the last, okay. After everything inside the class get executed, then after switch, okay. Not even a class, it's after the test methods in all the classes that are there inside the switch, okay. If you go to the TestNG XML file, in that switch tag, whatever the test and the classes are mentioned, after all the test methods inside that suite are completed, then only after switch will be executed. Here, before switch will be executed first, before any execution happens, okay. So only once though, after switch at the end, okay, complete at the end. No matter how many classes are there, here we are talking about only one class. There may be multiple classes having multiple test methods, but that doesn't matter. Before switch will run only once before all the test methods inside all the classes get executed, okay. Once all the test methods inside all the classes get executed, then finally after switch will get executed. Then what about before test? You see, if you go to the TestNG XML file, in a single suite, we can have multiple test tags or test tags mentioned. So before every test tag, this before test will be executed. After test will be executed after every test tag. Okay, but only once. Only once for test tag. Before test tag once. After test tag once, like that. Okay. So we have to specify this before test, after test in one of the classes inside that particular test tag to get them executed. Okay, then only they will be executed. Then we have before class and after class. Okay, so this is the order: before class, after class. They also will be executed only once. Before class will be executed before any test methods inside the class get executed. Okay, after class get executed after all the test methods inside that particular class get executed. Okay, particular class I'm saying only once. So then before method will be executed before every test method inside the class. If you have 5 test methods, before method will be executed every time before that each and every test method. After method will be executed after each and every test method, like that. Okay, so this is how the TestNG annotations inside a class will get executed. Okay, so hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.